How to unblock someone on X or Twitter? Just open the application and make sure to log into your Twitter account. Go to Profile at the top left corner of the screen. From the side menu, you need to scroll and tap on the arrow of Settings and Support. Scroll again and tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you need to select Privacy and Safety, and here go on Mute and Block. Now select the Blocked Accounts option. Here you will easily see the list of all the blocked accounts. So you need to locate the account that you want to unblock and now tap on Blocked of the account, and you have successfully unblocked someone on Twitter or X account. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.